Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Karina. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower, so today samahan niyo ako mag-blow dry ng buhok ko gamit ang revlon na to. This is quite famous sa TikTok, sa mga beauty vloggers, sa mga hair experts. So maganda naman ang review nila sa blow dry na to. Actually, I already have this like more than 2 years already, but I never had a chance to review this product from Revlon kasi wala lang, hindi ko lang alam bakit. So anyway, let's start. So before I start, always use hair heat protector. This one is hydrogen aqua serum. This product is from Korea. This is a little like that. And of course, you have to rub on your palm, and then you have to distribute evenly sa buhok. So, I don't know how to distribute evenly sa buhok, but we will try. Section our hair. This is how I section my hair. Normally, other people, they section their hair like this. Like, ganito. But I prefer to section my hair this way. Yung sa gitna ko siya hinahati, hindi sa crown section. Wala lang. Settings ko siya sa low settings. Maybe sa high. We will start with I'll be always by your side. Sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I've been waiting for a love like this. So 기분 좋은 바람 불어와. 행복한 너 그리고 let's finish the other side. So let's do section number 4. Anong section ka ng elementary? Ako last section ako ng elementary because me, hindi ako masyadong malo sa academic. I'm not an academic person, but I am good in science, but I'm not good in other subjects, but I'm good in writing, and I'm good sa physics at statistics. But the rest, kolega pa. So, okay, section number 3. Because I'm empty in my heart to you. Yeah. Shadam dum dum dum. Shadam dum dum da 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 da. So I'm already done sa left side. So you can see, very nice and very shiny. We've been waiting for a love like this. My love. Maganda yung ano niya. Maganda, hindi siya, it's not dry. It's very, as you can see, shiny yung effect niya. Ayan. Okay, now let's continue sa right side. So of course, I have to section my hair again because I like to section, you know. You know, sometimes when you're done with the left side and then you're gonna start on the other side, much easier na gawin and mas madali. So, surely mas madaling matapos kaysa kabila. Because you know. 내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸. 언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너 멈출 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away
Oh my God! Nawala na ako sa section. Always remember, pag gamitin nyo tong tools na to, dito nyo siya hawakan. Like this. I'll show you. Like this. Masyadong marami ako. Ganito. Hold it like this. And be mindful na hindi mo mahawakan dito because it's super init. I accidentally hold it here couple of times. So, ngayon medyo mainit na ako na dito ko na siya hinahawakan. You know? Okay, tapusin na natin ito.
지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는 지금 I can see you through a little far away 이게 철이 지난데도 내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야 You will always be my everything to me Because I'm here to give my heart to you Yeah Sa-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum Sa-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum Everything is so right 서로가 마주하는 이곳 We've been waiting for a love like this My love Yeah now Oh no no
Okay, so here it is, the finished product. As you can see, it's very nice sa buhok, very shiny. To finish the look, I'm gonna be using the keratase hair oil. Ang kati ng ulo ko. To finish the... I only need small of this. This. Just enough like this. I don't need much actually. Ang bango nito. Amoy mayaman. Super. Amoy mayaman siya. Also, this is how I style my hair for today. Ganyan lang siya. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and samahan niyo ko sa aking susunod na video. Signing out!